dramatic arrows from a single line. Another dramatic arrow from a single line. Fill the arrows with gradients. Go to the rectangle tool in Affinity Designer, click and drag. Once you're doing that, use the right arrow key and press it 10 or 15 times. And you will see multiple copies created of that straight line. Hold down the right arrow and you will see its space. Release. With all the rectangles selected, go up here to Convert to Curves. Then go to the Node tool and select all of the points. Go along here to the control bar and Actions and select this one. You can now see all the nodes along here. Drag along and select them all and then drag to the left or right to create your arrow. Hold down the Shift. To combine all the shapes, go to Layer, Geometry and Merge Curves. To add a gradient, go to the Fill tool and simply drag across from left to right and release.